Fleet Hoster.
And Kyle.
And today I'm super excited to introduce to you our brand new exclusive 4-way OBD harness. This harness comes in a universal kit that includes various different mounting brackets for all your different manufacturers like Ford, GM, Chrysler, really giving you guys that easy install.
Yeah, and speaking of installs, I know you guys have been looking and requesting kind of that all-in-one harness. I know the 4-way OBD kit is going to be exactly what you're looking for. You can simply connect in your Geotab Go device, connect your Surfsight dash camera, maintaining that free diagnostic port. Well, why is this important? This will allow you to decrease the time it takes for you to get your trucks, your fleet, your vehicle in and out of maintenance, out of the shop, saving you guys time, saving you money. We're super excited about this new harness. Give us a call today at Fleet Hoster to learn a little more about it. And as always, thank you for your business.
See you next time.